Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades, my trading account, what I'm doing. Hit the subscribe button, join more than 70,000 people down there on your phone. Smash up this thumbs up button and make sure you turn on the bell and click all notifications. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And we're going to the for Bitcoin. We're getting a bit of a pump today. Volume is climbing. Stochastic is quite overbought at the moment. So we're a little bit overbought now, which is not the nice. This is the stochastic, which is overbought. That usually peaks, and you can see here that was a peak before we had a drop. Here it dropped. So where it peaks here is where it then dropped here, and that's the same here. Where it peaks here, it's where it dropped here. So right now we're having a peak on the stochastic. So hopefully, in most likely case, it's going to drop from here, but there is a W formation forming here, or even a triple bottom. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottoms with volume. We're getting volume coming in, but again, usually when it peaks, the stochastic, that's before a big drop. EMA ribbons, we're above the EMA ribbons. They're trying to turn to head up. The VPVR, this is why I think we could also drop. The most buying and selling, where all the trades are sitting, are at the 38,000. So if Bitcoin comes down here, activates all those trades, liquidates them and moved up, the market maker will take a lot of the liquidity. And I think that's a very high possibility. So we've got to be careful here and we've got to monitor it closely. The crypto guru bot is firing a sell. It's still red in the sell, also indicating good drop. The Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy though. So we got conflicting indications on the bot. Let's go on to the 4 hourly, what's going to happen for the rest of today. On the 4 hourly, we're having a kind of weird W formation forming, but the neckline is actually up here at around 42k. Also on the 4 hourly, the stochastic is overbought. Squeeze mob is to the green side, but stochastic overbought. Money flow is flowing into Bitcoin. But again, whenever we have the stochastic overbought like this, but it is curling, it is trying to curl and building pressure here, so we could get a big blow off top movement. But usually when the stochastic is overbought, that's the time to be shorting. And if it does short, the target would actually be down here on this trend line, 36k, and that would take out the liquidity that I talked about at 38k. We're above the EMA ribbons. Again, the VPVR, the most buying and selling. On the 4 hour is at the 39k, but on the daily, it's at the 38k. Crypto Guru bot on the 4 hourly is fired a buy, and it's still indicating a buy. And the Bitcoin indicator bot is also, it fired a sell on the Bitcoin indicator bot just recently in the last few 4 hourly candles. So here it's a little bit difficult with the stochastic again overbought like this. It's coiling to make a big movement, but whenever it's overbought like this, that's usually the time to short. It's hard to say. Squeeze mob is going to the green side. Money flow is still flowing into Bitcoin also on the 4 hourly. So again, a lot of indicators that we are overbought right now and that we could pull back. Let's see on the weekly. On the weekly, we're oversold and bullish. On the daily, we're overbought and turning down. On the 4 hourly, we're overbought. I'm looking down here on the stochastic, and I teach you how to use this in the crypto course. On the hourly, what are we doing? On the hourly, we're also now overbought. It's facing heavy resistance, and it kind of had a double top here. It could be two potential scenarios here. We've got a bull flag, which is a bullish pattern before a big movement up, or this is a double top. One top here, and now a second top at the 42, and that could be pushing down. I would actually close my longs here. This is a dangerous point. But we're also on the neckline of a giant W formation. So if it breaks this neckline, the distance of the W is the movement we would expect. So the distance would actually be here. So I'm going to jump into this movement here if we break the neckline. So it's hard to say here. We've got a lot of bullish indicators and we've got a lot of bearish. My trades, I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, where is it? Underneath this video, you can find the link to see the trading software that I use. So there's so many freaking images here, down here. If you go down below, you can find this image. You can smash the thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes. Hit the subscribe button to join 70,000 people. And again, underneath this video, click the join button if you want to follow my live trades in stocks and crypto. And if you want to trade using the software I use, Bitcoin Trading Bybit. And I like this Bybit exchange the most. You get a sign-up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. If you've been using other exchanges, you get liquidated easily, you have high fees. I really like Bybit because it doesn't have those problems, and you get that sign-up bonus of $4,100. That will give you this software. In this account, I have $201,549, which is beautiful, up $1,600 since the last video, which was 4 hours ago, which is nice. $1,600 in 4 hours. 201,000 US dollars. I've got Bitcoin of around 72,000. I've got USDT of 63,000. I've got Bit of 37,000. I've got Cake of 19,000. And I've got Ape of 4,100, aping, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is up $106, 20% from earlier today. It's a small trade. It's only a $5,000 trade. But I'll keep it small because the decision that Bitcoin makes now is a difficult one. We have to look at Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum to know what the market is telling us. So let's check out Ethereum, and then we're going to look at the Bitcoin, the total market cap. Let's look at total market cap. 4 hourly total market cap is also coiling almost the same. A W formation, coiling for a big movement. So we could have a blow off top here, like some big blow off movement. On the daily, the total market cap is also approaching a very strong 2-year resistance line. This was the 2-year trend line, and now the total market cap of all cryptos is approaching this line again. If we get rejected here, it could be brutal and everyone will turn bearish. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum also exact same formation on the symmetrical triangle, on this bearish resistance, also overbought on the daily. This is a dangerous spot, everyone. It's a really dangerous spot to be, actually, because again, we're getting this we're at these resistance lines, and it's looking quite bullish, but it's overbought on a lot of on most of the stochastics. And this is a symmetrical triangle on Ethereum. Builds pressure. If it gets rejected here, it would be a big drop. And this is a time that we got to be cautious. I would actually prefer to go all into USD and see what's going to happen, what the decision is going to be, because there's a massive decision also on the total market cap of all cryptos. We're seeing the same resistance line, the same decision point. Same with Bitcoin. The only thing is the stochastic coiling and the volume increasing. That's the only thing bullish, and the W formation. Besides this, we're approaching a 2-year trend line that could be very bearish. So here it's a big deciding moment. I would love to know your opinion. What do you think? Do you think we're going to get rejected here and push us back into bearishness and everyone's going to freak out like crazy? Or do you think we're going to break through? I've showed you a lot of information. I'm leaning, unfortunately, to us getting rejected here and falling strongly. Hopefully I'm wrong. And for my trade's sake, I'm hopefully wrong, because I'm not going to close these trades because I'm going to dinner right now. It would be safer to go into cash right now. On Bitcoin, on USD, on Bit, on Cake, convert it all into cash and see the decision that Bitcoin makes. Difficult. But on the W formation, it could be bullish on the fact that we have this W. But again, on the daily and the 4 hourly, when the stochastic is overbought like this, usually it's the time to be shorting. So let's see if my hunch is right. Usually it'd be time to short. If we get rejected here, 36,000 is the possibility, and that will liquidate everyone, and that will take all the liquidity at that 38,000 that I showed. What do you think is going to happen? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me show you some information. I'm going to be speaking on stage in the next few days if you want to come join. I'm going to be a speaker at World Metaverse Conference on the 25th of March at Dubai Festival City. Also, I'm going to be speaking at the AIBC Summit with ALTCOIN tomorrow from the 20th to the 23rd in Dubai. You can come join me there. Bitcoin on exchange is an all-time 3-year low, and this is a bullish thing. It means there's not much exchanges on. It's causing a supply shock. So this could be the reason we get a blow off top. There's a $1,000 giveaway you can follow on Twitter, and to win that 1,000 USD. MCRT staking is coming in the 25th, so pay attention to that. Hello buddy, always looking forward to your videos. I believe in MCRT. Same view here. I'm with you on crypto. Keep on the good content in the TA. Thank you, Alvin. Thanks, James. You're always so helpful. Just all the information that I've shown in the last video, so I got to clear it up. So thank you for watching, everyone. I'd love to know what you think is going to happen. Let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.